my tongue. I close my eyes when I try to see about my tongue when I wanna be heard. I try so hard to.
I was looking for a yummy snack and I decided to try these air fry tempura green beans. They were so addicting, I ate the whole plate. So first create a batter with cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of it, with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and some lemon pepper seasoning, about 1 tablespoon of water, and that's our batter. That's it. Then we take our green beans and we're gonna just toss it in there and then put them in the air fryer. 390 for about 12 minutes max, and then halfway through you want to flip them and they're gonna look like this. They are so crunchy and delicious. I actually really love them. Here, listen. So try them out yourself.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you see more videos as they come out.